This is a revision video and is not a substitute for attending a first aid course. Remember to always follow the guidance that was given to you during your training. Okay, dangerous, feels safe. Cliff. Okay, we've got a catastrophic bleed, pressure on to the stump there. I'll go for my cat bleed kit. So with this Cliff, we'll get that bleed under control. Then we'll call 999, but we've got to control that bleeding. Stay with us. I don't have to cut through any clothing. I'm going to go straight for tourniquet. I'm pulling open the tourniquet. Feeding it back through the buckle. 5 centimeters above the stump. I'm pulling finger tight and I'm wrapping it around just as far as the gate there. I mustn't cross this gate. Now what's going to create the pressure is multiple twists of this until the bleeding stops. Okay. The bleeding stopped. Slip into the gate there. Put that across. Bleeding has stopped. I'll write the time, which is 12:55. Calling 999. Asking for ambulance. My patient is breathing. My patient is conscious. They have a catastrophic bleed to the right arm and the right hand has been completely amputated. We have a tourniquet in place and it was put in situ at 12:55. Now it's really important that we keep our patient warm. So some key points for tourniquets. Tourniquets need to be placed against the skin, 5 centimeters up from the wound, so that the tourniquet is between the wound and the patient's heart. The tourniquet must be twisted tight so that all bleeding stops. Record the time on the tourniquet. Do not place a tourniquet over a joint. Do not place a tourniquet around the neck, head, abdomen, shoulder or groin. Do not slacken or remove a tourniquet. And your golden rule, keep your patient warm. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay safe.